My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called GoldenWolf42. So this is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files which users store on their hard drives. Now, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and real vulnerabilities in the system, this GoldenWolf42 ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this ransomware. This ransomware actually encrypts files and damages the files considerably. It even appends this GoldenWolf42 extension to the file names. It also drops this ransom note titled as reddit.txt. The ransom note indicates that the files are encrypted and that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is surely not a good idea because this does not guarantee that your files will be restored if you pay the ransom. So don't pay that ransom. We recommend you to urgently remove this ransomware. With the help of reliable anti-ransomware program, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner, though, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts will also be damaged by this ransomware. So through your Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then once the program is successfully installed, start investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and truly this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. Nevertheless, this feature is a part of the premium license only. So then, and when the scanning is successfully accomplished, Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Certain threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend that you do consider upgrading to premium, which will help you to always have your data protected in the future.